Question 12. A wire is of length 240 cm is cut into two parts. Each part bent to form a square. So it forms two squares. One of them, okay, with the side x cm. So for better understanding, please draw out the figure. So the question is now doing like this. A wire, this one, is 240 cm. And it becomes two squares. One is with the length x and x, okay? Which means that you already use 4x. Then for the remaining part, you have the length called 240 minus 4x. And this length 240 minus 4x is evenly distributed to all the sides of the square. So your side will be 240 minus 4x over 4. Part A, to answer the question. Express the length of each side of another square in terms of x. So please see that, okay? The length of each side of another square is equals to 240 minus 4x over 4. But don't stop here. Don't stop here. You have to simplify it. Both of them can divide by 4. So the answer is 60 minus x. Lastly, don't forget, we are asking length. So please add a cm. Please add the unit. Part B. Mr. Ao claims that the total area of the two squares is the 3722 cm square. Do you agree? So, part B. The first square will be x squared. The second square will be 6 minus x all square equals to 3722. So expand this one. Expand this one. You can use your calculator. 10,000 store in x. So x squared plus bracket 60 minus x squared minus 3722. Then you can get plus 122. Then you make the last 4 digits to become 40. Write down minus 122. Divide by x. 98x0. So plus 120. Okay, then you get 40 at the back. So it's become minus 120x. And lastly, divide by x again. 2x squared. Okay, use the formula 01 to check the value of the roots. 2, negative 120, negative 122. So you get 61 or negative 1. Then you can write this one down. Write the answer down with the steps. So x equals to 61 or negative 1. Lastly, we need to check whether these two values are correct or not. Okay, do we need to reject it? Firstly, if x equals to negative 1, is it possible? Definitely not, because the length of x should not be negative. Okay, otherwise it cannot form a square. Therefore, negative 1 is rejected. Second question. Is 61 okay? Definitely not, because another side of the square is 61 minus x. So if we have 60 minus 61 cm, then this one will become negative 1 again. So this one is not correct. So both of the answer should be rejected. These cases is very rare. Please learn this one. and therefore because no x, okay, both of the x value are rejected, therefore you cannot agree with Mr. Ao. So therefore no.